So hello everybody, welcome to another Blakeston episode on Project Designer, which is my 1988 Austin Mini Designer Special Edition. So in this video I'm planning on getting the very crusty front wing off. It's beyond saving really. I've got myself a new heritage wing to go on, so yeah, need to get this old one off. So there should be a number of spot welds along here. You might be able to make them out. You can see where the dirt and the dust is sort of piled up in them. I need to, well, I've got two options really. I can drill all those out, or I could just take the cutting disc on the grinder and just cut along here. Obviously if that then separates, I've still got to get that off somehow. So I'm going to try drilling out those spot welds there. There's some spot welds on the A panel as well. And there's also some spot welds under here, which I'll probably not be able to get at, so I'll probably just run the cutting disc down there and sort that out after. So, yeah, never actually tried drilling out spot welds before, so we'll give that a go and, yeah, see how it works out. So I've got the majority of those drilled out now. I think the technique is as you drill, you're supposed to watch the swarf coming off the drill bit change, but there's a couple of them I've gone through. I tend to notice on the sound it was starting to make a different noise and the drill started labouring a bit more as I went through to the second skin. So yeah, happy with that. I think they're not fully off, but it's enough. I started looking at the A panel and it's just like spot weld city. I just can't believe it. It's just so many of them. So I think I'm just going to run the disc down it and just slit it, and I think slit it along here as well, and then I'll slit it around here. I mean this bottom panel is knackered anyway. So oh, and I've put a dust sheet over the windscreen. Just I don't want any sparks going up and damaging the windscreen because it's the original screen. So right, I think I'll break out the cutting disc and see what happens. Also, I'm not quite sure how it joins in this corner here. I'll have to check my the wing I've bought. I think it's like probably a 45 degree, almost like a mitre joint. So yeah, I'll have a look at that. But yeah, I'll break out the cutting disc and hopefully get this cut off. So I whizzed around that with the angle grinder and my trusty cheapo air saw, and finished off the last bits with a chisel, and I think it's come off. So yeah, fantastic. I did make a bit of a boo-boo. I did nick the bulkhead a little bit up there, but nothing that can't be fixed. So yeah, I think that wing is fairly second-hand. Right, let's see what we've got then. So I've been looking at the inner wing here and I'm pleasantly surprised. So I've been going around with the screwdriver, and although it's quite badly corroded in places, it actually feels quite solid. It's flaking off, but it's not falling apart. All the inner wing around here, it's fine. It's quite bad down here on the front panel, but I've got a repair for that anyway, so I'm not too worried about that. Looking down on the bulkhead, sounds a bit thin there, but then we onto the underseal. I that's the repair I did down there. That's fine, and even the back of the A panel is all good. So yeah, pleasantly surprised by that. I was expecting to have to do major repairs to the inner wing, but I don't have to. Up this side, where the top of the bulkhead is, that is not so good. That's the flange which the wing sits on. That's just completely gone. Yeah, that's quite rotten, so I've either got to fabricate a repair for that or get a repair panel to go on. Looking at the inner wing, or not the inner wing, the inside of the outer wing, you can sort of see how, I think all this black stuff is the underseal, or some underseal which has been put on, and the whole thing's just delaminating, just peeling off. It's like all the corrosion has got in behind, and obviously in those areas it's completely gone, and that's where the material's thinned out and gone to a hole. I mean, part of it's not too bad over here, it's quite solid, but yeah, it needed to be replaced. So actually I think I'll leave it as there for today, just a short video, quick update. The next stage is to get all that stripped back, get all the underseal and all the grot off it. So it's going to be a fun job with the grinder. So yeah, let's leave it as that. So thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed watching this episode of Blake's Den Project Designer. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment on the videos. It doesn't cost you anything to like or press the subscribe button and the notification button. So stay tuned for more videos. See you soon.